Hello, I'm here today at the world's largest supplier of outdoor living products in the United States, which is really exciting for me, and hopefully when you come and visit me, exciting for you guys too. So I'm here to showcase the Creator 1, the CNC Machined Brass fixture by Lifetime Lighting Systems. So there's a lot of things and there's a lot of uses in this fixture. So there's several things I think when we look at a fixture, if we broke it down into a couple categories. What's in it for the contractor? What's in it for you? What's in it for the homeowner? So there's a lot of things that I think you're going to appreciate, and I get this feedback on a daily basis. One of the things that I hear constantly is a 50% labor savings, which when it's all said and done, when you save that amount of money, not is it tangible for you in your pocket on that job today, with the lack of manpower on a job today, that allows you to go do more work. So it's really exponential when it comes to saving you money. But for a homeowner, there's things that we have to make sure that we do properly for a homeowner, for a lighting guy. So one of the biggest things is glare. So if I take and I give you a hex louver, and this hex louver rotates. Now what does that mean for you? Well, if I'm sitting there and I'm on a job site and I have a fixture out of place, I'm gonna take this hex louver out, and you're gonna notice that I popped out a lens right here. We have a removable lens, but here's my hex louver. So by example, I've got a flashlight, and you probably have blinding glare right now. I can take my hex louver and I can rotate it in several positions so I can eliminate all the glare. So this is the only fixture that you're going to be able to purchase that eliminates 270 degrees of all side glare, which that's really big for us. Now, and you. Now, some of the things is we give you lifetime guarantee. So one of the things we give you is we give you 30 feet of wire on every single fixture. You're going to notice that it's polarity safe and proof because we give you brown and tan wire on the fixture. Now I want you to go and look at our 50% labor savings video, because it's going to go in detail about how you save money and how you get to that 50% number. And one of the ways is this Loopable-Link wiring method. Here's another thing that I constantly hear that people are going, I'm going to say stakes over, is it's our lock and load stake. So there is no untwisting conventionally of the stake. So it's load and lock, comes through out with a keyway system. You know, conventionally you have to screw it like this, which makes the socket turn. So that's a big labor savings. The other thing you're going to notice is we call this the stability Saber Stake. And you're going to notice this platform right here is huge. So when you put it into sandy soil, you put it into soft soil, most stakes have this little tiny platform. This has stability, it's not going to move. So that's really nice. I want you to notice the keyway system right here. And this is where the lock and load mechanism happens. We call it the M1 attachment system. Now because of this keyway, this fixture turns into the most versatile fixture on the market. It's essentially a Swiss Army knife of the lighting industry. So this keyway system attaches to dome bases, gutter brackets, tree brackets, a whole arsenal of different fixtures, which changes it to 10-in-1. So please go to the M1 attachment video. So other things that for us as for you guys as lighting guys you're going to appreciate, we pre-lamp all of our fixtures. And now we pre-lamp them, we silicone the base, and we put dielectric grease on the contacts of the pins. That allows for anti-moisture migration, so there's no wicking and there's no corrosion. And you're going to notice this little lamp holder right here, which is kind of nice. It self-centers the lamp, it's really clean, there's no stupid springs. We're allowed to then, there's 4 ribs in here so we can adjust the lamp down so we can trap the light. And then of course we're going to put different lenses on it. So that's really nice. Now one of the things for me, and I think for you guys, when I say me, I mean as a lighting guy, but obviously you guys are out there doing the job, and you know when you install it and you put the stake in the ground, sometimes it's hard to pound them in and your stakes get crooked. Now every fixture does this. They go back and forth. Not a big deal, right? But imagine that stake being in the ground. How are you going to get that fixture to go up? We have the only fixture that we call 540 degrees bi-axis, okay? And I'm allowed to get that fixture to articulate in any direction I want, not only as an uplight, but imagine it as a downlight in a tree or in some type of a thing, and I need to get precision aiming. So that's one of the things that contractors are really appreciating on the adjustability side. It is lifetime guaranteed. Like I said, it's one of the most versatile fixtures, probably the most versatile fixtures in the market. Now, It's available today. You can buy it in any quantity. You can buy it in my favorite and a contractor's favorite in a 6-pack. It comes 6 in a bag, no unboxing. You're gonna love that, no trash on the job site. We sell directly to you. We ship directly to you on the job site, in your shop. The other thing, we make it easy for you too to order. So you go to lifetimelitingsystem.com, you're gonna find our full selection of lamps, fixtures, transformers, all the different things that are gonna make you money. And I kinda like to say, for every $1 that you spend with me, you're gonna make 2 or 3. That's the advantage here. Anyway, thanks for paying attention, and here's to a better future.